Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter using fresh milk. First, you need to chill your fresh milk thoroughly, ideally overnight, to allow the cream to naturally separate and rise to the surface. This separation is crucial for the next step. Once a distinct, thick layer of cream has formed, carefully skim it off the top. You'll need approximately 2 cups of this heavy cream to produce about 1 stick, or 1/4 pound, of delicious homemade butter. Now that you have your heavy cream, it's time for the exciting part, churning. Pour your cold cream into a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, or use a food processor. Start churning on a medium-high speed. Initially, the cream will whip into a thick, fluffy whipped cream. Continue mixing for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice a distinct change as the cream separates into solid butterfat and liquid buttermilk. After the butter has separated, carefully drain off all the liquid buttermilk. This liquid can be saved for baking or other uses. Next, it's essential to wash the butter thoroughly. Place the butter in a bowl of very cold water and knead it with your hands or a spatula. Drain the cloudy water and repeat this process several times until the water runs completely clear. This washing removes any residual buttermilk, which helps prevent spoilage and improves flavor. Once your butter is clean and firm, you can add salt to taste if you prefer. A good starting point is about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for every 1/4 pound of butter you've made. Mix the salt in thoroughly until it's evenly distributed. Your fresh, homemade butter is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. Enjoy the rich, creamy taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.